Hello guys, Jane Minecraft here, and today I'm going to show you how the combination lock works. It works off 3 levers. Well, you might be thinking, oh, how about I just do this? Nuh-uh, it doesn't work.
Just running, Joy. You guys are so nice today. Great, thank you.
Porque toda vez que você amar de verdade alguém,
No.
Que significa que a mulher deve ter só homem. Já a
As you
palavra
see,
homem tem 2 gêmeos. Que significa que o homem deve
that
ter
thing
2
turns off.
Palavra.
We need hospital.
That thing turns off whenever there's a wrong signal.
Thank you so much. No, I think I'm gonna carry them as long as they let me have them.
That thing will turn on if there's no signal,
This is
or
the
it's a
dream
wrong
come true.
signal, or
It's like I've
turn
never
it
been
off when
presumptuous
there's
about
one
dreams,
lever
and
that's right.
when you have crazy dreams, like I wonder.
Nunca force ninguém a ficar com você. Se a
As you can see, there's 2 no blocks and a bunch of red zones. I first over-engineered this thing. I think I have to put the NOT gate closer so that it doesn't interfere with it. This is how it works. 3 levers.
guys, he's coming.
The mind bit, it's just that. See? You can hear the sound. It automatically activates, but whenever you click one more lever, it shuts down. It happens because hold on. Wait, what? Oh yeah.
Who are you talking to, Jaden?
I'm making a video, Mom.
You talking to who?
I'm making a video. Viewers.
Mine?
Oh, viewers.
No, I said, who are you talking to?
My phone. To
Somebody?
To viewers.
They can hear your voice?
Yeah, they can hear my voice. I'm recording right now with my microphone on. Oh no, it's mom. Mom, it's fine. That was just my mom. No worries. She's really kind.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Love you.
Me too. Okay. This is how it works because all 3 of these levers, the bottom right, the top middle, and the bottom left needs to all be clicked to open the door. Since the torches are turned off, it opens. But whenever you click any other one, it powers it, closing the door like this. It works anyway. This is the same thing I showed on my shorts that I posted like a few days ago. I don't know. But this is how it works. Bye. Wait a second. That was not. Bye.